Just over a year ago, we took the Forester on its first maiden voyage off-road. With little knowledge of the area and the winter tires from my STI, I went to explore and test the newly installed rooftop tents. And from that moment, I was hooked. As we continued throughout the year, we continued to go on bigger adventures and further modify the Forester, throwing bigger and bigger challenges at it. Throughout this, one person, one company supported me and my learning as I dove headfirst into this world of off-road exploration. If you've been around for the last year, you might recognize him. From our expeditions to our modifications, it was Austin at Flat 4 Offroad. So today, I'm happy to announce that I'll be joining him at Flat 4 Offroad as a partner. Well, what does this mean? It means I can continue to do the things that I love, although in a much more impactful manner. This means more builds, more ventures, and more importantly, more support for the Subaru and off-road community. This means we can help more of you with building your Subarus and 4x4s. Now it comes to you guys. From the day ones to the new viewers, how can you help? Well, first off, you can support us by continuing to support my content through YouTube and social media. Furthermore, you can now support us by checking out our Flat 4 Off-Road social media channels, as well as our website, which I can promise you has some great content lined up. As always, the links are down below. And last but not least, if you're looking for parts or advice for your Subarus or 4x4s, you can always reach out to us.
Well, there we go, it's official. I'm a part owner in Flat 4 Off-Road. So I hope you guys are excited about this as I am, as we continue to grow and develop the off-road and overlanding Subaru community. I'm excited for what this holds for both me and Austin in the future, and I can't wait to see where it puts us. Well, that is going to be it for today's announcement. I wanted to keep it short, but keep you guys informed. So I hope you enjoyed it, and as I said, I look forward to seeing what the future holds. So as always, peace out and stay humble.